Hi, this is Tim Rozansky with PDQ Restoration. Today, I'm going to go over how to document your affected belongings after a fire. Experiencing a fire is devastating, and proper documentation is crucial for fire damage restoration and insurance claims. Here is how to document your belongings effectively. Step 1. Ensure safety. Before entering, have emergency fire restoration services secure the property and confirm it's safe. Step 2. Conduct a fire damage assessment. Professionals assess structure integrity, smoke damage cleanup, and soot removal and water damage. Step 3. Document everything. Take photos and videos. Capture wide shots of each room, then close-ups of specific items, including serial numbers. Create an inventory list. Describe each item, note the damage, and estimate its value. Gather receipts and proof of purchase. These validate claims and support fair compensation. Use inventory apps. Apps help organize photos, descriptions, and receipts for easier insurance submission. Step 4. Engage professional help. Emergency fire restoration services. Professionals ensure no item is overlooked and assist with detailed documentation, such as what PDQ Restoration does. Fire and water damage repair. Experts clean, repair, and sanitize to prevent mold and further damage on any of your belongings, such as furniture. Step 5. Submit your insurance claim. Providing detailed documentations, including photo, videos, and receipts, considering hiring a public adjuster to help secure a fair settlement based on your receipts. Step 6. Prevent future losses. Regularly update your inventory and store documents in a fireproof safe. This is not always necessary, but is an extra precaution you can always take. To conclude, proper documentation speeds up fire damage restoration insurance claims severely and is most definitely recommended. At PDQ Restoration, we provide expert fire and water damage services in North Jersey. Please give us a call if you have any questions.